Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable developer options on Samsung Galaxy F06 5G. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, privacy, security, and security features like fingerprint recognition. Step 2. Now locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type Software Informations. You might see several suggestions pop up. Some might relate to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Just ignore those. What you're looking for is the option that says Biometrics and Security, or sometimes just Biometrics, depending on your model and software version. Step 4. From the search results, tap on Software Informations. Then, tap again to access the Settings menu. Step 5. For the last and most important step, locate the build number option and tap on it multiple times, and then enter your phone password and activate the developer options to confirm it. Back to the settings scroll and see the pop-up result. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.